Hi guys. Hey, having a little problem with our garage door opener out here in our pole barn. I'm gonna show you what happens every time I push the button. The door will go down to basically to the concrete, and then it'll keep coming back up. We got these little sensors here. I don't know if this has anything to do with it or whatnot, but we can't get the garage door to shut all the way. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration, and maybe somebody out there can diagnose this and let us know what we have to do, because this is really annoying. Just take a look and see what we have to deal with every day. Okay, come over here and push the button, get it go down. It'll go all the way down just fine, and all of a sudden it'll kick right back up. Watch. See, now I gotta hit the button, we gotta go down again. Doesn't want to stay down. What's going on? Hit the button again. We got to stay out here for like a half an hour pushing the button. Try to get it to stay down. Wow. Now that's like a world record fast for this door. So if anybody has any idea of what's going on with it, I'd appreciate your input so we can get this taken care of. So thank you.